Now finally, let's learn how to record the area around the mouse cursor. Start Bandicam. Click on the drop-down arrow button of Screen Recording Mode. Select the Around Mouse option and click on any of the following presets according to your need. If you choose the full screen menu, you can record the full screen without the control bar of Bandicam. So, for me, I'll choose 1280x720 option. Press the record button on the screen or the F12 button on your keyboard to start your recording. To stop your recording, click on the Stop Recording button or press the F12 button again on your keyboard. Now go back to Bandicam, click on Home, then click on Videos tab. Here, you'll find all your recorded videos. Select the recorded file and click on the play button right here. Or if you want to upload your recorded video to YouTube or Vimeo, just select your recorded video and click on the Upload button. Choose your platform and you're done. And if you want to check your recorded videos on Windows Explorer, then just click on the Open Folder icon right here. Now if you check my previous video, you will learn more about screen recording functions of Bandicam, some of which are how to put your face in a video, how to record dual or multiple monitors, how to use a dual screen recording, how to record your PC for 24 hours, and how to capture screenshots. So make sure you check all my previous videos. Well, by following the steps in this video, you can record your computer screen in various creative ways. For more information, please visit the official Bandicam website. And if this video was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel for more contents like this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.